I'm going to take $5 to $300,000 with this guy's strategy because it took $30 to $100,000 in just one trade. So I'm going to be stealing a strategy and teaching you everything step by step, so you'll be able to get his results after this video. And the first thing he did in his video is to mark out two lines. So he marked that first line at the top there, and then he marked the second line at that point there, because he did not know which one price is going to respect. But as you can see, it respected this one, and this is what we want to focus on. And to copy his strategy, basically I'll go to 1 minute time frame and look for 2 points. So this is the first point here, and this is the second point here, and basically currently price is at this point here, just like his own. And the second thing he did is that he waited for price to retest back at that point here. So basically on my own chart, I'm going to wait for price to retest back, which is what happened here. And when he retests back, you want to add more position like he did here. You can see he had a lot of position around this point. And then when price approached that low, he started adding more and more position, which I did also, but I was not seeing any profit. But I kept adding because my leverage was 3,000, but his own leverage is unlimited leverage, so he could add more position and he will never run out of lot size. But me, I would always run out of lot size. And so basically his trade started to run in profit, and it was literally at 60 pips at this moment in time, while I was still at $14, and I could not open any position again without blame accounts. You can see it's already reducing to $2, so I had to close to have more equity or balance to open another position. This is why you want to trade a broker that has good leverage. His own leverage is unlimited. My own is 1 to 3,000, so I'm limited. So basically I have to close and open, close and open, close and open if I even want to stand the chance to get the result is going to get of running profits. And the moment I said that it was giving me downward momentum, I added more position, and then I closed at 40k. I'll be $40 on gold, and then I decided to go to GBP to test the same strategy again. And this is the 3rd PI trade. So now I'm on GBP. And this is the disclaimer: this strategy only works on breakout markets. That means you can only work if price is retracing and then there's a space for price to run lower too. Like if you look at all this point here, you can see that there was space below, and then if you go to other time frame, which is on 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, you will see that there's still space. Basically there's still space that price can run to. This is not a continuation strategy, it is a breakout strategy, and there must be space, like free space like this, if you even want to stand the chance to get rewards like this. That's it. That's basically it. So how did I get to 300k from this point? This is what I'm going to explain now. Because if you look at this point, I'm buying instead of selling. So why was I buying instead of selling? That's because the overall trend is sell, but the trend hasn't given us, or the market hasn't given us, a very clear sell confirmation. So till then you want to be buying till the real move starts. That's basically something you learn on your own. No strategy or mentor can teach you that. You have to learn that on through experience. So I closed again because I was seeing some signs on gold, and basically the only pair that can give you that profit that guy did, or the one I'm going to teach you guys, is gold. GBP will take time before you can get results like that. But if you really want to get it very fast, you need to be trading gold consistently. So basically the breakout is about to happen, but on gold I haven't gotten a clear confirmation. So this is why I was scanning up and down to see if there is any sell or more sell PDRs, but the PDRs I was seeing that was supporting price was buy PDRs. So at this moment in time, I still had to look for buys. So I snapped that buy in just like that, and in less than 5 minutes I was back up, and then I wanted to capitalize off this move. So I decided to close at this point, so I have more equity to enter more position, considering the fact that I don't use unlimited leverage and I'm restricted by JUSTMARKET. And then this was when the sales start to kick in, and basically I told you guys before that this is literally a breakout strategy. So what I did is I was spamming when price breaks out of that point there. You can see I added another position because I was trying to catch over 400, 500 pips, 600 pips, because those are the kind of pips that will give you those kind of numbers. Trust me, 100 pips wouldn't get you a Ferrari. so I closed at this point in time, and then I went full margin again because I want to make sure I stack at least 30 pips and then leave that 30 pips alone and let price drop over 600 pips. So I want to stack up my stack first instead of stacking along the way, because that will blow your account. You want to make sure you stack at least 10 or 20 pips, stack all those whole 20 pips or 10 pips, and then leave it to drop to your target. My target basically at this point is like 600 to 500 pips. So every single pip and every single lot size has to be maxed. And as I kept going, you can see I got to this point, but it started getting over, so I kept going. And then I got to this point, and finally I was able to do this for the investors. So if you want something similar to this next week, click link in the description. Fastest gets in, and I'll see you guys in my next video.